Let's find out which toothbrush will win the battle. A toothbrush with 20 bristles or 20,000? It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. There's no shot this tiny toothbrush works. This Captain America Lego man is literally larger than the toothbrush. And these bristles are definitely a joke. Tiny Colgate toothpaste. Tiny glob. This is Dental Digest. Let's get brushing. This has to be one of the worst toothbrushes ever. It's pretty much impossible to hold. But this small toothpaste is delicious. Let's check the after results. It's time to step it up and multiply this toothbrush by 50 and use 1,000 bristles. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. This is the Curaprox 1006 with 1,006 bristles. It comes with a pretty groovy handle and a bristlehead cover. Apple aloe flavored toothpaste. Wow, that smells so good. It smells like a delicious apple candy. Like a lollipop. Medium glob. Let's get brushing with 1,000 bristles. This toothbrush is great at cleaning your back molars and hard to reach spots, but that's pretty much it. This toothpaste is a top 10 for me. Absolutely delicious. Alright, let's see if 50 times the bristles help clean my teeth. Alright, let's move on to something more practical because we can clean my teeth way better. A normal toothbrush like this Lego toothbrush has 2,500 bristles. But this is not a normal channel, so let's bump it up to 5,460. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. This is the Curaprox 5460 and it's quite possibly one of my favorite manual toothbrushes. It's got a super colorful handle and bristles, and it comes with a bristlehead cover. To protect all 5,460 of these Ultrasoft Toothbrush bristles from doo-doo particles from landing on the brush. These Ultrasoft bristles are perfection. Watermelon toothpaste. It smells like mystery flavor Airheads. Fat glob. Let's get brushing. Wow. My teeth and gums love the way this toothbrush feel, and this toothpaste is blowing away my taste buds. Let's check the after results. Now it's time for the grand finale to find out how this 20,000 bristlehead toothbrush will clean my stained teeth. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. What do you think the odds there's actually 20,000 bristles here? That's a lot of bristles, but I don't know if it's 20,000. If this video gets 20,000 comments, I'll count every single one of these bristles. Fruity Pebble flavored toothpaste. Kid friendly. Bubble berry. Oh man. They don't smell anything alike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also comment down below your favorite cereal flavor, and maybe I'll turn it into a toothpaste in the future. Fat glob. Excuse me? Did you just fart on camera? Say excuse me. Fat glob. Even though this toothpaste glob doesn't look the best, we're not gonna judge it. Let's get brushing. This toothpaste actually tastes pretty similar to Fruit Loops. It's kind of crazy. This toothbrush feels super soft on my gums, but it's definitely not the best cleaning instrument. Let's check the after results. 20,000 bristles is just way too many. It feels nice at first, but afterwards they kind of clump up and just don't clean that well. Personally, this toothbrush with 5,000 bristles clean the best in my opinion, but I'm interested to see if you guys also agree. Make sure to head over to my community tab and vote which toothbrush you guys thought cleaned the best. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time, and as always, smile on. Ciao. Let's go. We did it, guys. This is amazing, guys. Thank you guys so much for 5 million subscribers. You guys have truly changed my life. I love making content for you guys. It's just crazy journey we've really had, and this is just the beginning, so I can't wait to show you guys what's to come in the future. Thank you guys for all the love, support, subscribing, sharing, liking, and watching my videos. It's been awesome. You guys are truly an amazing team. I love making content for you guys, and I can't wait to show you guys what's to come in the future. So let's get brushing.